This is a teardown of an Energizer AACU rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery charger. You can do nickel metal hydride and NiCd batteries. You can do AA, AAA, and 9-volt. Model number is CHM4AA. And this does have some pesky security screws. But I think, I already had the bit on there. I think I have the right bit to open it up. Only one way to find out. They're stuck in there nice and tight. I assume these are plastic screws. No fancy brass threaded nuts. Oh, stuck in there. Probably still works, but I don't really have a use for it. And I have so many nickel metal hydride chargers that I've collected. Yeah, those are threaded to go straight into the plastic. So it should split apart. Oh wow. Honestly, this probably would have been a nicer charger than the ones I have, but I don't know. Got a big old transformer there. And then here's the PCB. Pretty simple. Got a Phillips branded chip there. HEF4060BP. At least I think that's the part number. It could be the D0581ME. Otherwise, a couple resistors scattered about. Some diodes probably to convert AC to DC. And see if we can see what those transistors are. If I can get it to focus. Oh my goodness. Let's just take these and bend back. There. S8050 D-008. This is this weird looking thing. I've never seen a oh, come on, please focus. I think it's a capacitor. I don't know. It's almost cube shaped. It's kind of weird. Then they have the LEDs on giant stilts. Oh, that's weird. The stilts appear to be like copper tubes almost, that they're mounted in, and then heat shrink going over to protect and separate the leads. Otherwise, not really much else to see, just a typical case design here, just injection molded plastic case with some brass plugs that were pressed in. So yeah, hopefully that was interesting, and thanks for watching.